Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7. And if guys, okay, make sure you listen till the end. If your front left or front right headlight guys, low beams or high beams do not work, stay with us, we will show you where to find the fuses. You actually have guys 4 fuses for your headlights. One of the fuses controls the low beam on the left side, one fuse the high beam on the left side, then another fuse controls the low beam on the right side, and another fuse, the fourth fuse, is the right beam, the high beam on the right side as well. So all these 4 fuses guys, if any of your headlights doesn't work, we'll show you guys where to find them and where to replace them. Now make sure guys you subscribe to the channel, because we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and any car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe, like the video and drop a comment below and let us know if that fixed your problem. So let's start on it now. So we need to go ahead, open the hood of that Mazda now, and I'll show you guys where they're located. So right here, okay, it's extremely windy today, so if it's a little bit windy on the video, we apologize. Right here guys, there is one clip that we need to remove, and we need to pull that cover out, and under that cover you'll find your fuse box. Now what we're looking at now guys, okay, the first thing that we're looking at, okay, will be mostly, okay, in that segment right here on the bottom. We'll show you the left, okay, the left headlight low beams. Left headlight low beams. Okay, that's what we'll be doing first guys. So this one will be guys, okay, let me get something to show you. This will be guys, okay, the fuse, okay, right here. This is the left headlight low beams. Okay, the right hand side low beams guys, for the right headlight, okay, will be this one right here, another 15 amp fuse. So these 2 fuses are for the low beams, left, right side. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses guys, check this thing out. You can find the link to those fuses in the description of the video below. Really good deal. Comes with the whole kit, so many fuses for just very affordable price guys. Now if you're looking guys at high beams, okay, for the left hand side, okay, we're looking at this fuse right here. This is the fuse for the high beams left side. If you're looking for the high beams on the right hand side, okay, it will be this bulb right here. Okay, we'll be looking guys at this fuse next to it right here. So these 2 fuses are for high beams, left and right side. So hopefully guys, okay, the video will be helpful. All you have to do, just put your cover back together. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.